have the perfect polo shirts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this 5-pack of SWISSWELL's polo shirts. And I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I'm wearing a size medium. Now I can say that this shirt fits me absolutely amazing, and it is made with a 95% polyester and a 5% elastane that's gonna give it a very nice 4-way stretch going all the way throughout that's gonna make you so comfortable, and the fabric is really lightweight and breathable. Now I do want to point out that this does come down to a really nice length on me, so it's going to be perfect if you want to tuck this in for golfing into your golf pants or golf shorts, and it's going to be nice and secure, give you a lot of room to do so. Now check out some of the details we have here on the sleeve, guys. This right here is going to be a collared design on the sleeves, and we're going to have the color match going into the collared as well as white and then black. And this is going to be a little bit different compared to a couple other ones. In the other colors you might have red, but we're also going to get those same details up here in the collar. And this collar is going to be ribbed all the way throughout, so it's going to give you a lot of nice contrast, and it's actually really comfortable. I have this buttoned all the way up to the top, and I have a 15.5-inch neck. It does fit perfectly, and we do get a nice contrasting 3-button setup with the white buttons. Now this is the black one, and as you can see, we do have the red on the end here instead of black. So it is gonna give you a lot of contrast and make these actually a lot different from one another. One thing that I do love about it is gonna be, we have a white contrast on the inside of the buttons. So if you do wanna have this buttoned all the way up, you could have a nice sleek black look, but every button you take away is gonna provide you with a little bit of contrast to match your style. So you could have this all the way unbuttoned, feel a little bit of wind on your skin, a little bit of breeze. And again guys, this material is gonna be super lightweight and breathable. It's moisture wicking all the way throughout, so I notice whenever I'm sweating, it definitely dries out quickly. And if you are using this at the office, you're sitting on that office chair, getting a little bit of back sweat, this is gonna dry, and it's not gonna make a stain on the back of your shirt that's noticeable. It's gonna dry really quickly and easily. So I love how this comes with a bunch of different color options with the 5-pack. It has gray, black, navy blue, the burgundy red, and then like a teal turquoise. So it gives me a lot of options, especially if I'm gonna go on a trip and I just wanna get 5 polos real quick. I'm gonna have one for every day of the week, and they are gonna be different. Now check out on the front here, you actually get an accent pocket too. So that gives it a little bit of contrast too, and a couple accents, just because this isn't a printed style on here. It's gonna be all one color, so that is gonna give you a nice accent piece. So you'll be able to dress up or down, business casual, or just wear this out on a day to the park, hang out. This is definitely just daily wear for me because it's just so comfortable. And having this polyester material makes it more of a wrinkle-free fabric, so you can just wash this and you don't have to worry about this wrinkling up. So overall guys, I highly recommend this. This is gonna be perfect for golfing, tennis, pickleball. If you're gonna be wearing this to the office, you can dress up, down, you can wear this to a casual wedding, but this is definitely an essential to have in your wardrobe, and I love that you can just order a 5-pack and have a bunch of different colors ready to go. Make sure you check out all the other colors, add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.